Hello students, good morning. Well, today I will solve the problems of question number 3. Exercise 7.6, question number 3. Question is subtract 2 by 9 from 7 by 9. We have to subtract 2 by 9 from 7 by 9. Okay, so see here, 2 by 9 from 7 by 9, we can write 7 by 9 first, minus 2 by 9. Okay, so their denominators are same, therefore 7 minus 2, we get 5 by 9. Now question number 4, simplify. Question number 4, we have to simplify it. Okay, so look at question number 1, 4 of 1. Seven plus 5 whole 1 by 8 minus 3 whole 1 by 4. So first of all, we need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, into improper fraction. This will be in this is in mixed fraction. That's why we have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, so 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 8 minus 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 by 4. Okay, now we can put here 1 by 1. Okay, then we need to find their LCM. 1 8 4, LCM is 8. So 1 8 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56, 8 1 ja 8, 41 ja 41 minus 4 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, so 13 2 ja 26. Clear? Now 56 plus 41, we get 97 minus 26 by 8. 97 minus 26, we get 71 by 8. Now this is in improper fraction, so we need to convert into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction will be 8 8 ja 64 minus 7, remainder will be 7. So 7 as numerator and divisor as denominator. Okay, so 8 whole 7 by 8 will be the answer. Now question number 5, complete the following addition subtraction boxes. Here you have given in horizontal way this is plus sign, and in vertical way this is in minus sign. Okay, so first we have to add horizontally. Okay, you know, this is horizontally and this is vertically. Okay, so first we plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, we get 12 by 4. 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 by 4. Now cancel it, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So answer will be 3. Okay, so here 3 will be answer. Okay, here 3. Now second box, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Look at here, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is equal to, denominators are same, that's why 3 plus 5, 8, 8 by 4, cancellation, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So there will be 2. There will be 2. Clear? So 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4 we get 3, and 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 we get 2. Okay. Now subtract. We need to subtract vertically. That means 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Look at here. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 5 minus 3 by 4. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 by 4. We cancel it. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. We get 1 by 2. Okay. When we subtract vertically, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4, we get 1 by 2. So there will be 1 by 2. Clear? Next, similarly, 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. This is in vertical wave, okay? 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. We get 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. We get 2 by 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. We get 1 by 2. So there will be also 1 by 2. Clear? Now 3 minus 2. This is in vertical way. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. We get 1. Simply 3 minus 2 we get 1. And when we add horizontally, that means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, we get 1. Half plus half is equal to 1. Clear? So in this way we can complete the boxes, addition subtraction boxes. Okay. Next question number. So please do next question as you directed. Okay. Now question number 6. Subtract the sum of 6 whole 1 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 15 from the sum of 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5. Here we have to subtract the sum of 6 whole 1 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 15 from the sum of 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5. So there will be in sum, and this will be also sum. So first we need to plus 6 whole 1 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 15 and 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5. Then we will subtract. Okay. So look at here. First we write this number. Why? This fraction. Why? Because we have to subtract 6 whole 1 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 15 from 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5. Sum of 2 whole 1 by 5, 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5. So first we write this number, this fraction, then this. Okay. So sum of 2 whole 4 by 5 and 5, we can write 2 whole 4 by 5 plus 5. Sum means plus. Subtract, we have to subtract. So we put here minus sign. Clear? And the sum of 6 whole 1 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 15, we can write here. Next, convert into improper fraction. 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 by 5 plus 5 minus 6 3 ja 18 plus 1, 19 by 3 plus 15 1 ja 15 plus 7, 22 by 15. So 5 1 LCM is LCM of 5 1 5, 5 1 ja 5, 14 1 ja 14 plus 1 5 ja 1, 1 5 ja 5, so 5 5 ja 25 minus LCM of 3 15, 3 and 15, we get 15, 3 5 ja 15, 19 5 ja 95, 19 5 ja 95 plus 15 1 ja 20 1 ja 20, sorry 22 1 ja 22. Okay, now 14 plus 25, we get 39 by 5 minus 95 plus 22, we get 117 by 15. Now again we have to find LCM of 5 and 15, we get 15, 5 3 ja 15, 39 3 ja 117. Okay, minus 15 1 ja 15, 1 ja 15, so 117 1 ja 117. Clear? Now 117 minus 117, we get 0, 0 by 15, answer will be 0. Okay, so when we have to subtract, when we will subtract the sum of this and this from this and this, we get 0. Answer will be 0. Now question number 7, we see question number 7. What must be subtracted from? What must be subtracted from 5 whole 1 by 6 to get 2 whole 11 by 18? So here we need to find the difference between them. Okay, we have to subtracted this from this. So first we write this fraction, that means 5 whole 1 by 6. Look at here, 5 whole 1 by 6 subtract 2 whole 11 by 18, 6 5 ja 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6 minus 18 2 ja 36 plus 11, 47 by 18. LCM of 6 and 18, you can see here, LCM of 6 and 18, 18, 6 3 ja 18, 31 3 ja 93 minus 18 1 ja 18, 47 1 ja 47. Clear? Now 93 minus 47 is equal to 46 by 18. We cancel it by common factor 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 23 ja 46. Okay, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 23 ja 46. So answer will be 23 by 9, we get 2 whole 5 by 9. In improper fraction, sorry, mixed fraction, 2 whole 5 by 9. So guys, I hope you have understood by it easily. So then you will do next question. Okay, thank you.